Hi guys! What's up? Today we are going to Alagad de Maria Missionary, yung kanilang seminary area, I think. I think that's what you call it. It's in Antipolo and it's our first time to actually see each other after so long. Kasi ito yung mga priests na pumunta sa jail namin every single Saturday. So iba-ibang priests yan that would do mass sa male dorm and then sa female dorm. A lot of them are back here in Manila and the Philippines kasi all over the world sila. We thought of having a reunion. O diba? Para makita nila lahat ng prayers nila para sa akin. It actually happened. So no matter how long you've been praying for something, for someone, it actually works as long as you believe. This is gonna be fun. I haven't or never hung out with a lot of priests before, so this will be a first. And also, it's a Thanksgiving, reunion with them for such a success eh. Oh, parang passion project lang ako, diba? So, yes, let's go. We're gonna be a good girl today. Look at that! Hi! Right here, Bong. Look at that! So beautiful! Sarap mag-retreat dito, pero para lang sa mga priests ata itong place na to eh. I love nature. So this is how a seminary looks like. It's so peaceful! Ganda! You guys have to support this place to be able to maintain very beautiful, serene, holy place. We have to, financially support them. And that's what my mom does. To stand with Mary at the foot of the cross. Ang palagi sinasabi ng mom ko, kung busy si Papa Jesus, mangulit ka sa nanay niya, Mama Mary. Kasi ang nanay, ang hirap tanggihan ng anak. So, I would bug talaga eh. Mama Mary, to please tell Papa Jesus to send me home na. Mama Mary really helped me out in, finally coming home. And relax here. Maybe have a bonfire. No camping here, but so chill. I love it. Nice. I haven't seen nature in a long time. This is actually my first time to be out in a place where there are lots of trees. And my mood is like getting back to 1000%. Hello! Hi, Father! Hello! Oh, pwede, Mommy, ah. Ayan na. Hindi na magagawa. Hello, Father! Hello! Yes, I know! Hello! Ikot-ikot pa ako sa ano yung lugar niyo. Ang ganda. They're seminary staff.
Opo, mga brother.
Oh, brothers. Sister. What? Hi. Sister. Brother, sister. Ano daw? Bubulit si Karen. Hello. Hey lang. Hi. Hi guys. So this is how a seminary looks like. It's so organized. Hi, Father Josh.
Hello.
So, question lang. Kunyari, kasi parang college to for free, diba? Parang ganon. Yeah, if you think about it. So, the facility is super nice. Does that mean it's like a high-end school? Ang taas ng league na school, kaya Ateneo.
It's a seminary.
Kasi if you think about it, it's like college, diba? It's like a course for free.
Like college, pero mas stricto.
Mas strict? And how strict?
Yes. Because they need to days up from the morning until the end. There are lots of schedules.
Okay, like what would be a schedule like?
By 6 o'clock is the rising, then by 6:15 is the morning prayer.
Oh, okay. The 6 a.m. to?
6:15 is the wash up, then 6:15 is morning prayer.
Okay.
6:15 to 6:45 is the morning prayer.
Okay.
6:45 to 7 o'clock is preparation for the breakfast.
That's okay. Okay. What's so strict about that? I mean, in jail it was worse. Ano sabi yung ba? What's like palit sa bagay?
This is a formation house because the Alagad de Maria, wala pa kaming school talaga Pilipinas.
Formation house pa lang to?
Yes.
Ang ganda-ganda naman ang formation house nyo. Grabe.
Nakapunta ka sa Infanta, mas
Mas maganda?
Yes.
This is already huge. How big is this place?
3 hectares.
3 hectares?
And then also swimming pool.
Oh!
Yes.
And then you can muni-muni, diba? And pray for everyone, right? And pray for everyone. I love it. Oh my gosh. Yung ano ng pool, magkakasama na tayo. Noon kasi bawal eh, diba?
Pero ang bilis mong pumayat, no?
Pumayat?
Oo, samantala kami hindi. Mahirap kami.
Kasi father naman eh.
Kasi usually 5 o'clock gumigising ka sa jail.
Yeah, I work out.
Nagkakaroon sa
Upstairs.
Yeah.
But you guys are fit din, syempre.
Bola ka ha? Bola ka.
Ito naman kasi yung ano nyo, yung roles nyo, diba? Yung roles nyo parang mag-pray for people. Kailangan busog, diba? Diba?
Magkasal ng gutom.
Oo naman!
Bakit na tayo maniwala eh?
Maniwala naman. They're the priests that were in Pasig City Jail. First time? Father Abel, okay.
First time there is, nung sa rooftop tayo, yung kay Cardinal.
Ah, yes. Pero you didn't, ano yun you were not...
I'm a deacon during
Yeah, you were a deacon that time.
It was my first mass there, and then ka-ordain ko lang.
So, pinag-practicean niyo kami?
Medyo na.
Sa jail kasi, pag kumakanta kami, todo bigay, diba? Kasi,
Punong-puno ng puso.
may pangangailangan kasi, diba? Kakaiba yung mass sa jail. So, naiyak kayo?
Oo naman. Ikaw hindi?
Iyak palagi, actually.
Once lang po ako nakapunta doon, pinikilabutan ako pag kumakanta mo talaga.
Because kakaiba, right?
Kakaiba. Kasi pag lalo na yung Lord have mercy, di ba? Pag kinakanta.
Akala ko kasi wala kaming tono.
Sabi namin kay Karen kanina, bakit ang bilis mo pumayat?
Correct.
Sabi niya sa amin, kayo rin naman eh, pilit. Muntik na kami maniwala.
No, because I really, prepared talaga, Father. Hindi, pinag-pray niyo ako, di ba? Oh, yan,
Naman
tumulong.
talagang mula nung nakilala namin ikaw, talagang laging laban ng dasal.
Oh, ayan, kaya sobrang daming biyaya sa loob dahil ang dami kong prayer warriors. Pag ako nagpa-pray sa'yo, priest, mas high chances of winning, di ba? What?
The Labayans Hall.
How long has the seminary been up?
We are now in 31st.
Yes, 31st.
This is our founding anniversary.
Okay.
Nung tinanggap kami ni Bishop Labayan, is our 31st founding anniversary.
Okay. But how long did it take before you became a priest?
Usually 10 years to 11 years, but me, in my case, it's 16 years.
16?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's why it was such a big deal. We clapped, diba?
Yeah, that's why you clap.
16? But
That's
how
why
come? How come it lasted that long? Ano ba yan? Ay, maybe in between ba nangyari? Parang nag-gets ko na.
Can we talk it?
Few moments later.
Dire-diretso naman ako, kaya lang, mahaba talaga yung formation, inabot ng 11 years.
Okay, but then you didn't have any, you know, doubts, thoughts, or...
Maraming doubts, pero ganun pa rin, tuloy-tuloy lang din.
But was it easy or hard?
Definitely not easy.
Not easy?
Pero kaya. So, magitan lang din ng prayers talaga.
Oh, ba't ba sobrang hirap?
Kasi marami kayo give up.
Ayun ba?
Marami kayo give up.
Sacrifices,
Yes.
gano'n. Like, ano yung worst?
Family, pangarap.
Family.
Ito nga.
Tsaka yung possible mong family, kung hindi ka nagpare.
Yun yung pinakamahirap.
Yun yung pinakamahirap.
Kaya unti yung tumutuloy.
Okay,
Kaya
that's why.
siguro natagalan tayo. 14 years ako.
14 years. Okay. Kasi it's a very different kind of calling. Oh, like different kind of direction. Kaya I'm sure people would be so interested to know how difficult it is to be a priest, diba?
Mahirap pero fulfilling.
Fulfilling. 14, 11, and sweet 16.
Minsan kasi yung charism.
Yes.
Diba, ito yun yung buhay mo.
Yun yung most common.
What was charism? Sorry pa.
Yung parang ang charism yung spirit ng seminaryo.
Okay.
Yun yung reason kung bakit.
So parang per seminary, may swak na ano. Okay. So yan, hindi ko spirit tong lugar na to. Iba. Parang hindi kami ganon.
Halimbawa, may ibang congregation, ang charism ay teaching.
Okay.
Yung iba naman ay pumupunta. Yung for the sick, yung iba.
But Alagad ni Maria,
For the youth.
for the youth. That's why I'm here.
Katulad nung sa batch ko, 10 kami nagsimula, ako lang naging pare.
Wow! Survivor! Actually, Alagad ni Maria, they have the most funnest homiles.
So, kita mo, kinento ko pa nga, labas-pasok din ako sa Bilabuhan.
Oh, yes!
Bago ako naging pare, sa Muntinlupa pa prison, labas-pasok ako ah.
Tapos
So, syempre, apostolate namin, labas-pasok.
joke din to si Father.
So, sa tuwa naman, di mo.
Sino nagsaswimming dito, Father?
Madalas ako. Tamad sila eh, ayaw nila, takot sa tubig eh.
Wala. Dito. Ay, they have team buildings in here.
Hindi may retreat house kami.
Pero I thought it's just for priests, hindi po.
May retreat house din kasi.
Ah,
So, syempre, hindi completed kanta kapag hindi mo sinabing ginawa ng ano. Diba, tayo na sa Antipolo at doon maligo tayo. So,
pwede din po ba mag-ano dito, baptism?
ikaw, kung gusto mo. There? Diba sa isla, sa Quezon province at lahat.
Opo.
Ayun, ganun ang binyagan.
Doon na sa tubig, no?
Eh, wala kang makagawa, wala ka naman sa putik.
Ang kulit ni Father.
Hindi ako makulit, napakakulit.
Nire-recruit ako ni Father. Nire-recruit talaga ako.
Naka-assign siya sa pinakamayamang lugar sa buong mundo.
Saan po yun?
Gegento, Bulacan.
Nire-recruit ako ni Father maging sister.
Ayaw mo yun?
Siyempre gusto ko ng partner, Father.
Eh, dami mong partner, oh. Kami nga, grupo eh.
I love this place. So much animals. 100 years old tree.
Sabi niyo po, lakit ba namang...
Sana ang love para lang yung puno. Pang matagalan. Okay, we're about to start. I'm gonna be quiet.
Good morning. At welcome, Karen.
Yay!
Today we celebrate the memorial of Saint Vincent de Paul, priest. And we offer this Mass in thanksgiving for the release of Karen from jail and her freedom, and for her guidance to pursue her career following God's will. Kung babalikan ko yung kwento ni Karen at ng Tita Nori dito, lagi kong sinasabi noon kay Tita Nori na gagawin natin ang lahat. We'll celebrate Mass. Hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng gap. Yung nakita ko doon yung kanilang pagkapit sa Diyos. Na sa mga panahon ngayon, wala tayong ibang kakapitan kundi ang Diyos. At sa kwento ng buhay ni Karen at lagi niyong kausap din at itanong, lagi kong sinasabi na darating din ang panahon na makakamit natin yung ating hinihingi. At alam ko na ang buong pamilya ng Bordador ay dumaan sa purification. Marahil ito ay pag-purify ng ating sarili, pag-purify ng ating mga karanasan at buhay. At sabi ko, Lord, salamat at ibinigay mo yung aming matagal na pinagdarasal at hinihintay. Actually, bago ako magbakasyon, nagliligpit ako ng aking gamit at inaayos ko yung aking mga files. I saw your letter.
My letter?
Yung mahabang sulat mo sa akin. At kaya ko siguro timing yun yung pagkakabasa ko ng letter mo kasi alam ko tayo magkikita. At pinagpapasalamat sa Diyos. Masasabi ko rin at pwede ko rin itanong, do you want to be great?
Yes.
And may God bless us all.
Salamat po sa inyong lahat. For all the help. And that it shouldn't be difficult for us to bear and endure all those 5 years. We were in desperate situation.
Firstly, thank you po to God, number 1, for making this possible. Secondly, to Mom. As you can notice naman po, I'm a jolly person. So, I try my best to be very positive. Pero alam ko po na napakahirap yung pinagdaanan namin. And yung talagang kasama po namin ay prayer warriors. Like, a few friends, kasi ginawa po namin private tong situation na to. So ngayon naiintindihan ko na po bakit si Mami madaming priest na kaibigan. Mga sisters. Kasi every Christmas, puro po mga galing sa church yung mga kasama namin sa Christmas events. Mas madami po po mga sisters kaysa mga friends or family. Lahat sila naka-blue. Ayan, sabi ko, ba't parang yun yung mga ka-works si Mami. Ngayon naiintindihan ko po kasi one day they're going to save us spiritually, especially in the most biggest crisis in our lives. And naiintindihan ko na po kung bakit din importante yung mga priests. Kasi kung dumating kayo doon sa loob, nabuhayan ko po, nabuhayan po lahat ng tao doon. Every Saturday was a treat for each and every person there. Nakita niyo naman po kung paano kami kumanta. Honestly, never ako kumanta ng gano'n. yung praising song, so talagang gusto ko itaas na sa sky, yung mga dinadamdam po namin, napakalalim pinagdadaanan. Kaya yung pagkanta, sobrang ramdam mo na talagang pinapahatid po namin sa heaven. And then yung mga homily nyo, sobra pong, naalala ko po yun parang Father Ian told me na one time, you were waiting sa ATM po ata yun. Kasi you were waiting, and then you were already to the point that you were feeling impatient. And then you realize you see all these detainees inside waiting for years and you couldn't wait that long. And then you realize na now. Sa malit na bagay, hindi ko mabigay yung patience ko yet sa loob. Paano pa yung sa loob? So, nung sinabi niyo talagang napaano kami doon, yung feelings namin talagang napauwaw. So, grabe pa po pala yung effect ng Catholic life sa mga taong dumadaan sa isang dark na tunnel na spiritually kailangan ng light. And what you gave us inside, through Mom, of course, was amazing because it gave us hope. It gave us a lot of things to look forward to. Meron po isang priest nagsabi, sometimes parang kung nagpo-pray siya, feeling niya hindi na-answer. From a priest po to, from Vladimir. Kasi hanggang yun, nandun pa rin po ako nung time na yun. No? Tagal na niya pupunta doon, hanggang sa ilang years na nandun pa rin ako. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, Father, ikaw mag-alala, kahit nagdadasal kayo na makalabas ako, ang dami kong biyaya inside dahil sa sobrang dami yung prayers sa akin. Kaya nararamdaman ko yung dasal nyo. Hindi man yung mismong naibibigay, yung kalayaan ko, pero sa loob, malaya ako. Kasi ang dami ko na-achieve. So lahat ng prayers pala natin, may kanalalabasan na maganda. So ngayon, nandito na ako. Thank you so much po to Alagad ni Maria. And I believe in what you guys are here for. Kasi ako, alagad ako ni Mother. So naiintindihan ko po yung importance. Sabi ni Mommy sa akin, kung si Papa Jesus hindi sumasagot, puntahan mo yung nanay niya, si Mama Mary. Kasi si Mama Mary, hindi matatanggihan yun ni Papa Jesus. So yun ang ginawa ko namin. Rosary kami na rosary, Divine Mercy, walang katapusang kulit kay Mama Mary. Para ganyan si Papa Jesus. So, kaya, sobrang relate po na perfect timing lang po talaga. Naglalabas ako sa pandemic time when everyone's in need. Kasi inside, when I was in need, I know the difficulty of how it feels when it's all gone. Yet, you guys were there. So now I'm out here, and you're here too. Sana we can give the same to the people that are going through the same things and inspire them. Hindi man perfect tong time na to, hindi man perfect yung pinagdaanan ko, pero feeling ko perfect tong tandem na to, ng pag-come together na to. There must be something here, diba po? Lahat ng drama na pinagdaanan natin, ang ending nito, magiging happy tayo in some form or way and makakatulong tayo sa ibang tao. So thank you so much to Alagad ni Maria, to all the fathers, the priests, the seminarians, lahat po ng mga prayers nyo. Talagang araw-araw nararamdaman ko yung happiness and joy. And to my mom, please wag na po kayo magdrama, nasa labas na ako. Masaya na po dapat tong time na to. I'm your success story. Okay? Alahanin nyo, successful yung mga prayers nyo. Nakalabas ako. After 5 years na parang imposible, nandito ako living your prayers. So thank you so much.
God is good. All the time. All the time.
God is good.
Ganun din po kami on behalf of the Alagad ni Maria, kay Father Josh, Father Rocky, Father Luke, Father Lawrence, Father Eric, si Father Abel, yan, at si Father to be. So si Brother Val, ay kami po ay nagpapasalamat din sa inyo. So thank you so much. At asahan niyo po na we are always here to support.
Pupunta sa Panis Studio.
Oh, yung nagtuturo ng kanta?
Oh yes, pero hindi namin makanta ng tama. Kahit pa rin yung tono namin, kahit gano'n yung tono.
Pero at least kahit naman na wala doon, but it's from the heart.
Yeah.
Yun ang mahalaga.
From the heart.
Yes.
So Father, ilan na ba yung nasa labas na?
Parang 3 yata. Parang 3 o 4 na nag-message sa akin. I just forget the name. Na mga nakalaya na sila.
Oh.
Most of them ay nasa choir. Yung sa choir ministry natin.
Yeah, because I was in the choir.
Yes.
I was like singing.
Parang I remember last time na Paano nandun ka pa yata na tinanong ko, bakit nakalaya na si ganito? Mostly yung pumapasok sa choir.
Yeah.
Mabilis na. Di ba naalala mo yun?
Yes, Father.
Sabi, bakit Father ganun? Tapos naging ano na siya, parang, uy, sumama tayo sa choir.
Yeah, that's why everyone wanted to join the choir. Kasi nga, lahat ng sumasadong lumalaya.
Yes. Parang miracle. Parang tumatanaw.
Diba? Pag sila Father Ian, talagang sure shot, uwi ka agad.
Oo.
It takes a while, pero either way, yung ending, laya, diba?
Yes. So yun yung laging ending natin. Laging happy ending.
Happy ending.
Sabi mo nga, kahit anong drama sa buhay, ang ending, laging happy ending. Laging sa Diyos ang ending. Laging kay God.
Alagad ni Maria. Yes.
Thank you!
Thank you! Ilan taon na kayo?
Ako po 19. 14 pa lang po.
14?
Dahil po yun. 14 dahil. 20 na po.
20 ka na? Para gusto nyo talaga mag-freeze.
Sa tulong at tawa po ng Panginoon. Pinagdadasal ko po. Pagdadasal ko na.
Thank you! We're done with lunch.
Thank you, Frida.
Ngayon magti-TikTok na kami. Kasama ng mga seminarians. So cute, oh!